hurry. You have to do makeup on my eyes.
I'll take it off. Okay?
Okay.
We can bring me the wipe.
So you're making me into Wonder Woman?
Yeah. Wonder Woman looks like this.
She does?
Yeah.
Oh.
I blacky, 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 black. I'm gonna give you lipstick, okay?
How do you think it looks so far?
Lipstick so good.
So good?
So good.
Mm-hmm. So good, Aria.
Thank you. And call me witch.
It's so good, witch.
You look like Wonder Woman.
Oh, wow.
It's pink.
Oh.
Actually, I'm gonna put purple as well. Okay?
Okay.
So many beauty marks. I'm not Aria. I'm witch.
Oh, sorry.
So right here. You're good, Wonder Woman.
Okay, I'm done?
Almost.
Okay.
Purple on your chin.
Okay.
And then you'll be done.
Mm.
Sounds like a good plan.
I think so.
Looks so funny.
I want to look good, not funny.
Good, okay.
So do I look good or funny?
Good.
Okay, but I want to look like so good.
So good.
Do I look really good?
Almost.
What are you making? Oh, right. Wonder Woman wears a star. Yeah. That's a really nice star.
You're gonna look very nice.
I don't doubt it. Now, do you think I need lipstick or something?
Yes, that's correct. You're gonna be very cute.
Mm-hmm.
Yes,
Cute like you?
cute like me. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
You look very nice. I put some on your temple.
Mm-hmm.
You're gonna be so nice.
Okay.
That means it's fun.
Oh. So this is just for fun? I want to go out. Can I go out? Can I go out like this? Can I go to the store with this makeup?
No.
Why not?
Say store.
Can I go to the store with this makeup? Will you go to the store with me?
Yes.
With this?
Store. Not store.
I didn't say store. I said store.
Store. Oh. This?
Okay, are we done now?
No. Almost.
But I have every color on my face. I have to be done now.
You have to be almost done.
It's okay, but I don't think Wonder Woman looks like this, actually.
Yeah.
She does?
She does.
Where did you see Wonder Woman?
Like this TV.
On the TV?
Yeah.
But she didn't have all these colors on her face.
Yeah.
She did?
Yeah, she did.
Okay, are we done now?
Almost. You look almost done.
Almost done. I look natural?
No, you don't.
What do I look like then?
You look like Wonder Woman. That's you. It's so true.
Okay, are you done now?
Almost. You look like Wonder Woman.
Wow. It's gorgeous.
You're almost done.
I think I'm done now.
Oh. You're done now.
Wow. Thank you so much, Aria.
You're
I
welcome.
love my Wonder Woman makeup. My lipstick is the highlight. And I think you did a great job.
Show Daddy.
Okay.